with craftsmanship we rise, a beacon of trust beneath the skies. With truth abiding, with strength untold, our legacy of steel forever bold. Landmark crafts, we lead the way. Innovation brightens every day. Precision, passion in every grade, forging the future time and again. Self-drilling wonders crafted to last, building the dreams of the present and past. Our vision clear, our mission strong. Together we thrive where we belong. With every screw we weave a dream, in every bond a lasting theme. From soil to skyline, near and far, Landmark Crafts, you are our star. Landmark Crafts, we lead the way. Innovation brightens every day. Precision, passion in every grade, forging the future time and again. Pioneering tomorrow, steadfast and true. In every creation, a promise renewed. Landmark Crafts, where excellence meets. In every milestone, a legacy beats.